In today's video, I will talk about two things about the Pointwise, a mesh generating software that my research group uses. The first thing about the installation of Pointwise, and second thing is about some of the warning messages that prevents Pointwise from opening. So I need to say that the first tip I got from this website, OS6 Daily, talking about how to allow apps from anywhere in Mac OS Gatekeeper. And as of October 11, 2021, I'm using this Mac OS Big Sur, and you can probably see it from the background image. So this information must be good. Okay, so I want to talk about how to install the Pointwise. This is an issue about the allowing you to install the Pointwise in your OS X. So I already installed the Pointwise, so you can see the icon here. So I won't be showing all of these, but usually after the OS upgrade in Mac, by the way, you can go over this website, and if you click the security and privacy, and by default, you're allowed to install apps either from App Store or App Store and identify developers. Unfortunately, Pointwise, the company, is not one of the identified developers, meaning that you cannot really install the Pointwise even if you have an admin account. So, but what we want to do is that we want to have this third, the button, so that we can allow apps downloaded from anywhere can be installed. Okay, how do I do this? It's actually fairly simple. Just go over the website here and scroll down, and there is a one-line fix, the sudo spctl, and you disable something. You first copy this line, and before I do this, let me close this, and you open up the terminal. Here I kept the terminal button icon here, but if you don't have this, then you can click the spotlight at the top right corner of your screen, then type the terminal, and terminal app is executed. Then the next thing I want to do is to paste what I copied. So it's taking some time for terminal to open, so let's be patient. Okay, so now I paste this single line and press enter. I need to type my password for admin. So it's actually done, and we need to double check. Go back to the system preferences that I closed and go to the security and privacy again. Then you see this anywhere message. So it's actually just this single line that you need to run in your admin account. Okay, so after you do this, you can install Pointwise. But one of the things is that it's not really recommended you install the apps downloaded from anywhere when you're using the ASU the laptops or computers. So unless you really need it, or you need to, and also you need to discuss with the SMPIT if you really need to install any software downloaded from anywhere, because they need to be informed, because this is not my laptop. This is a ASU property, so you need to follow some of the ASU ASU policies about in using the ASU properties. Okay, so this was the first tip. The second tip came from it's actually also fairly simple, but one of my students, Rohis, found this. So let's assume that we install the Pointwise. Then currently I'm off campus, so to run the Pointwise, there's first thing I need to do, which is to run the VPN software, so that I can run the Pointwise. So I have icon here, but again, you can use the spotlight here, and Cisco and you type the syscode, then this VPN will be running, and you type the address, VPN address, and press the connect. Then here you need to type your ASU ID and password, ASU password, and using some Duo Mobile or some similar software, you need to enter the 6 digits, the passcode. Press the enter. So now the ASU network considers that you are virtually, at least virtually on campus. So then I execute the Pointwise. So then there is this nasty message. Pointwise will damage my computer. So of course, it's not going to damage my computer. This is just an error message. So let's now report this. Okay, let's just accept it. So what Rohit told me is that by checking some one of the button, this can be really suppressed. This error message can be suppressed. So go to the location where the Pointwise is installed. In my case, it's in Applications and Pointwise and Mac OS X, and there is a Pointwise app. So if you right click or use your 2 fingers on your trackpad, or if you don't have it, then press just the Command I after so single click this the program. So then there is this information about the Pointwise. So you just need to check this, override malware protection. So basically you don't check the malware protection. So are you sure you want to allow opening Pointwise? Of course. I'll just allow it anyway. Then you still need to enter your password one more time, and okay. Then it's done. So it's overridden. So then let's close this. And if I run the Pointwise, then what do I see? So at least I don't see that the nasty warning message that the Pointwise will damage my computer. So Pointwise was unable to obtain a license because of this error, communication error with license server. So maybe at the time you're watching this video, maybe this error message will be gone, but this can be suppressed by waking up the license server, which is actually my desktop computer in my office. So I'll just log in the desktop computer. So if this problem persists, then I'll just create the account, student account in the license server, so that you can wake it up yourself. Okay. So now I access the SSH into my computer, which is the license server. So let's close this, and let me run the Pointwise one more time. So it's a different error, but it's not really something bad, because the Pointwise is unable to obtain a license because all licenses are in use, meaning that somebody is actually using it. So there is no license, the communication error with license. But all the license that I have for Pointwise is actually somebody is using it. So I only have a single license, so meaning that some student or even myself is using Pointwise. So all the errors are suppressed, and I don't see that nasty message about the Pointwise. So I'll just exit. And this is everything that I have today, and I'll see you next time.